Welcome to Auto Express Review, where the roar of engines and the scream of jet turbines define who we are. If you're passionate about cutting-edge machines and future-forward engineering, you're in the right place. Today, we dive into a machine that doesn't just dominate the skies, it redefines the art of war. The F-22 Raptor is not just a fighter jet, it's an icon, a flying legend born from American aerospace dominance. Since its debut in the early 2000s, the F-22 has remained the pinnacle of air superiority, blending stealth, speed, agility, and lethality like no other aircraft in history. And just when people thought it might retire, 2025 has brought us something extraordinary, a massively upgraded version of the Raptor. Smarter, faster, and even deadlier. The skies may never be the same again. From the first glance, the 2025 Raptor carries a sense of menace, its matte gray skin designed to blend with both clouds and radar signals. But the real change lies beneath the surface. The fuselage now features advanced radar-absorbent materials, updated stealth shaping, and microtexture coatings that reduce its radar cross-section even further. Aerodynamically, refinements in wing edges and engine nacelles allow smoother airflow, increased maneuverability, and better fuel economy. It's still unmistakably Raptor, but every curve has been tuned for silent aggression. Let's talk numbers. The 2025 Raptor can reach a top speed of Mach 2.3, but the more impressive stat? It can supercruise. That's fly at supersonic speeds without afterburners, at Mach 1.9, making it invisible not just on radar, but also to infrared tracking systems. The upgraded Pratt & Whitney F119-PW200 engines now produce over 35,000 pounds of thrust each, giving the jet an insane thrust-to-weight ratio above 1.3 to 1. What does that mean? Vertical climbs, high-G maneuvers, and supersonic acceleration are now smoother and more responsive than ever. One of the biggest leaps in the 2025 F-22 isn't its speed or firepower, it's its brain. Introducing Raptor Mind, an advanced AI-assisted combat system that serves as a digital co-pilot. Raptor Mind constantly analyzes the environment, identifies threats, plots engagement strategies, and even manages electronic warfare systems. The pilot's helmet is now integrated with an augmented reality HUD, giving 360-degree situational awareness, real-time data overlays, and predictive threat warnings. This isn't a cockpit anymore, it's a war command center in the sky. The 2025 Raptor has enhanced its payload capabilities, now supporting next-generation hypersonic air-to-air missiles, precision-guided, smart bombs, and electronic jamming pods, all within its stealthy internal bays. In a dogfight, it can deploy short-range AIM-9X sidewinders with helmet-track targeting. Engaging enemies at distance, the Raptor can unleash long-range AM-260 missiles guided by AI. But perhaps most impressive, a directed energy weapon is under testing. A high-energy laser mounted beneath the fuselage. This could allow the Raptor to disable drones, missiles, or even enemy radar, silently and instantly. The 2025 F-22 is not just a jet fighter, it's a command and control node, capable of leading formations of drones, sending real-time battlefield data to satellites, submarines, and ground units, and coordinating strikes beyond the pilot's line of sight. Whether it's intercepting enemy bombers, suppressing air defenses, or supporting ground troops, the new Raptor adapts to the mission with unmatched flexibility. It's fast, quiet, and precise, a surgical weapon in the hands of the world's most elite pilots. In the modern battlefield, brute force is not enough. That's why the 2025 Raptor introduces advanced cyber warfare tools, jamming enemy radars, spoofing missile locks, and even hacking into adversary systems mid-flight. It's not just about missiles and speed. The Raptor is now capable of silent electronic kills, making it a ghost that destroys before it's even seen. Many experts thought the F-22 would be overshadowed by 6th-gen prototypes or stealth drones. But the 2025 upgrade proves that the Raptor's core design was decades ahead of its time. With new tech, unmatched stealth, speed, and firepower, it continues to be the dominant air superiority platform. It's no exaggeration to say that if the Raptor is airborne, the enemy doesn't stand a chance. And now, as promised, the surprise twist. According to leaked documents and whispers from aerospace insiders, Lockheed Martin may be developing a two-seat variant of the Raptor called Project Raptor X. This isn't just a bigger cockpit. This version is designed to act as a drone swarm commander, controlling autonomous fighters mid-air, issuing real-time combat instructions, and deploying unmanned aircraft to perform reconnaissance, attack, and defense operations, all from one Raptor. This could mark the beginning of a new war doctrine. One man, one jet, a dozen machines at his command. Could this be real? We'll keep you updated. So there you have it, the 2025 F-22 Raptor, a machine that's not just surviving the future of warfare, it's leading it. If this video gave you goosebumps, hit that like button. Subscribe for more legendary machines, and don't forget to share it with fellow tech live.